Hello, this is Scott Thorley with AMS Protractor, and this is a quick video to show how the great new RepairLink integration works with Protractor. Note, we do have a separate document to explain how to set this up. This video will focus on using it. I have here an open work order with a water pump job on it. I'm going to go to the top of the screen and click on Catalog Lookup. First thing it's going to look up is the labor. I'll select my labor and click Apply. Then it's going to look up the water pump. Now I have my supplier set so RepairLink is on the top of the list, so it's the first supplier that comes up. Also note on this screen, the vehicle information including the VIN has been passed into RepairLink automatically. Note that the search criteria from Protractor does not come in because of the different ways that RepairLink has to search. So I'm going to go to the search box and type in water pump. RepairLink has three different views that you can look at. You can look at an illustration view, a list view, or a split view, which shows you both. In this case, I'll leave it on the split view. I'm going to scroll down and I'm looking for the water pump diagram. I'm going to click on that water pump diagram, and now it brings up a picture of the water pump and all the related components. You can zoom this picture in and out, and you have a couple options on the right hand side. Show other parts in illustration. This will actually list every part that's in that picture, or I can shrink that down and go to selected parts. Now right now I have not selected any. Now I can go over to the picture and add the parts I need. So I can click on this to add the water pump assembly. And you notice it turns yellow. I could click on this one. That's just a bolt. I don't need that. I'm going to click it again and it turns back to gray, takes it off the list. I may want this gasket. I may want to grab this thermostat case and housing. Now over here on the right, you can see the parts that I've selected. If I want to go ahead and order those, I'm just going to click on Add to Cart. I have 4 parts in my shopping cart. I'm going to click on my shopping cart, and that shows me the 4 parts that I've selected. Now, in order to transfer these back to Protractor, I go down to the blue right arrow, and I click on that. Now, all 4 of those parts come back into Protractor. It does a final availability check, and it would tell you your dealer name there that the availability was from. I'm going to click Apply, and it's going to put all 4 of those parts on the ticket. When I'm ready to order those parts from RepairLink, I just go to the Purchases tab. I can highlight one of them, select Place Order. It's going to default to all 4. I can turn those off if I needed to, and click Place Order to place the order. Hopefully that's been helpful and you enjoy the new RepairLink integration with Protractor. Thank you very much, and once again, this has been Scott Thorley with AMS Protractor.